Hi, I'm Dr. Eve Libby at Implant Center of Miami in Bay Harbor Islands, Florida. I graduated in 2014 from NYU College of Dentistry and specialize in implant and restorative dentistry. I became a dentist because I come from a family of physicians. Since I was a little kid, I've always been in a doctor-patient setting, no babysitter. Okay, I'm coming to work with my parents. I would doodle or color on pieces of paper, but I was always aware of my surroundings, and I loved it. I just loved that type of setting. And I also knew that I've always been very good with my hands, and dentistry really seemed like the perfect marriage of being in a doctor-patient setting and doing surgical procedures in that office setting, not necessarily in an OR. It just seemed like the absolute perfect fit for me. And when I went to dental school, everything I learned, nothing ever made me doubt whether or not it was the perfect career for me. And I never looked back, and I was really good at it too. So once I got to dental school, I started doing all the things that we needed to do to practice on plastic teeth and eventually work on real patients. I was always really good at it, and I really got my patients' trust very quickly. Even as a student dentist who had zero experience, the patients really trusted me. They felt comfortable with me. I was able to calm the anxious ones down quite a bit in a way that I didn't even know possible. And that made me feel great about what I was doing. So, and it's just gotten better and better ever since. My favorite part about being a dentist is really working here at an implant-based practice, even though I also do a ton of restorative dentistry as well with, crowns and veneers. Whether it's a veneer case that gets a patient's confidence or replacing missing teeth, which oftentimes has a really dramatic effect on their confidence because they've been adjusting the way they move their face around. They haven't been smiling for years. I mean, it has a psychological effect on a person to not smile. So when you are giving them that back, it really is such a rewarding thing to see and to feel their appreciation for it too. A dental veneer is a thin porcelain shell that covers for the most part, the front of a patient's tooth. And the purpose of it is to slightly change the shape and shade of the person's tooth, but usually they get multiple veneers so that they can accomplish that goal. If you have any questions or concerns about possible dental treatment, please call us at Implant Center of Miami for a consultation so we can answer all and any of your questions.